What is art for you? What is art in the nail world? I have often asked myself that question, and today I thought I would show you my interpretation of it. I have created 5 designs that you could use on a whole set of nails, or if you just want to do it on one finger. Follow me as I show you my interpretation of art in the nail world. On the first design, I will show you a simple design, but still different. Here, I will apply to different colors, but to get patterns on the nail, I will use an ombre brush. After I am satisfied with the application of the colors, I will apply eggshell nail polish and cure the nail. You can choose for yourself if you want to finish with a top coat or if you want to finish with a matte top coat. I have chosen to have the base black on nail design number 2 so that the colors I apply can be highlighted. When I was going to create this design, I wanted to have 3 colors that go together. You can choose which colors you want. I have painted the colors as blobs to give an illusion that the colors are floating on the nail. Is this nail design something you could consider creating? I have chosen to have a light base for this nail design. I will apply 5 different colors randomly on the nail. If you are wondering if I cure between nail colors, I cure the nail for 60 seconds. After I have applied my 5 colors, I will take a dotting tool and do some dot work here and there on the nail design to make it complete. When you are done, choose whether you want the nail design with a matte top coat or a top coat to finish the nail design. Before I apply dots to the nail, I have applied blooming gel to be able to create this pattern I want as a base on the nail. Dotting tool is a nail tool that can be used in many different ways. Very versatile nail tool. I will also apply text nail stickers to complete my nail design. I personally like to use matte top coat when I use nail stickers because I think the nail design gets an extra touch. Do you prefer top coat or matte top coat on your nail designs? I thought there was something missing from the nail design, so I applied dots of the color white and cured the nail for 60 seconds. Now we have come to the last nail of the day. Here I thought I would show you how you can make a fantastic nail art design by just using nail stickers. I personally like nail stickers because you can create so many wonderful nail designs. Do you also like nail stickers? I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and follow, and thanks for watching. Take care, until next time. Bye!